Afternoon to all. Today again I'll continue from natural and man-made disaster, and it will be the part 4. And today I'll uh, start with fire hazards and safety. Fire hazards include all types of live flames, causes of sparks, hot objects and chemicals that are potential for ignition. Potential, powerful for ignition. Ignition means fire, or that can aggravate a fire to become large and uncontrolled. Fire hazard pose threat to life and property. It is therefore the prime object of safety systems to detect, remove, or reduce the risk of fire threatened by those potential hazards. Now, fire safety measures. Fire safety is the set of practices intended to reduce destruction caused by fire. Fire measures include those that are intended to prevent ignition of an uncontrolled fire and those that are used to limit the development and effects of a fire after it starts. The following checklist can help you spot fire hazards in your home. It will also help you prepare your family to quickly escape a fire. First is smoke detectors. Put smoke alarm detectors in strategic locations in your home, such as kitchen, near bedrooms, and near fireplaces or stoves. Second, fire prevention strategy. Keep a fire extinguisher near the kitchen and have it checked yearly. Children should be taught safety rules for matches, fires, electrical outlets, electrical cords, stoves, and chemicals. Third is family fire drills. You should know the emergency number of your fire department. Teach children who are old enough to understand to stop, drop, and roll if their clothing catches on fire so that they can help put out the flames and avoid serious burns. Plan a fire escape route with the family. Choose a meeting place outside the home where everyone will gather. Practice using your escape route in family fire drills at least twice a year. Practice what it would be like to escape through smoke by getting down on hands and knees and crawling below the smoke to the nearest exit. Once you have mastered the plan, hold a drill while everyone is sleeping. This will ensure that they will wake up through the smoke alarm. Fourth is potential fire hazard. Potential means powerful. Keep an eye on anything while you are cooking, gas stove, plastic, matches, etc. Make sure that cigarette butts are fully extinguished before emptying ashtrays. Extinguish means cause a fire to burn. Avoid fireworks. Think of safety first when dealing with fireworks. Generally, the owner of the building must display the plan of the house. For preparation of a fire safety plan, owner must ensure that all the visitors and staff are informed of what to do in case of fire. During a fire emergency, the safety plan must be available for the responding fire department's use. Now, there are fire safety plan structure. First is key contact information, and the second is utility services. Now, disaster management in India. Natural and man-made disasters kill millions of people around the world and cause tremendous loss of ecosystem and earth. So far, countries have been focusing on emergency response, that is dealing with the disaster when it happens, but the need today is prevention and mitigation of natural disasters. Disaster management has to be teamwork and cooperation from all sections of society is required, that is from common man to the government. Common objective during any disaster. In any disaster, be it an earthquake, a flood, a landslide, or a cyclone, the consequences are the same. People die, get injured, or lose their homes. In case of a sudden disaster, there are some immediate actions to be taken. Moving the injured and affected people to safe shelters, providing immediate first aid to the victims, providing food and safe drinking water to the people in the shelters, searching for and rescuing the injured, buried people, especially during earthquakes and landslides, providing financial help, transport help, and support for rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means the action of restoring someone, and recovery to people affected by the disasters. The role of the government. Environmental degradation and disasters are closely linked, and it is always the poor or lower middle class people, especially in developing countries, who are most affected. Thus, for the success of disaster management plans, we have to reach to the root, root of the problem and get rid of the cause itself. The Government of India, along with the United Nations Development Programme, has formulated means prepare, a disaster risk management program of 2002 to 2007, in which special emphasis has been laid on preparing the communities to face various hazards by generating awareness, preparing them to counter the adverse effects of disaster through integration. Integration means to combine of disaster mitigation into development. Mitigation means the process of making something less damaging. Planning is also one of the role of the government. Special training is imparted. Imparted means make known to disaster management personnel who create public awareness as given in the National Disaster Management Framework by the Ministry of Home Affairs. The National Disaster Management Framework guides the initiatives of the ministry. Initiative means an introductory step. Training of engineers, architects, and masons in safe construction practices have been initiated, and in addition, disaster management has been included as a core subject in the school curriculum of all educational boards. Role of remote sensing satellite in natural disasters. Remote sensing is the science of acquiring and analyzing information about objects or phenomena from distance, for example, through aerial photography and satellite remote sensing. Remote sensing satellite orbit the Earth at different altitude. They gather electromagnetic. Electromagnetic produced by energy reflected or scattered back from a part of the Earth's atmosphere below the satellite. Satellite remote sensing is a powerful tool and can clearly reveal the factors causing environmental degradation or disasters occurring in any part of the world. Satellite images help conservation of the environment. Conservation, planned management of a natural resource to prevent destruction in the following ways. Unplanned deforestation can be checked and prevented. Desertification can be checked from advancing, as satellite images will at once reveal overgrazing, felling of trees, waterlogging, etc. Degraded land can be identified by satellite images. Floods and flood-prone areas. Prone means having a tendency, can be detected and timely action can be taken. Assessment of drought condition can be done by using information about rainfall and surface water condition. Using satellite data, people can be forewarned to warn in advance of impending. Impending means to delay drought. Remote sensing is used to assess damage done by intense mining excavation. Excavation means to dig, etc. All over the world, the frequency of disasters is increasing as a result of degradation of environment and changing climate pattern. However, it is better to find out the main cause of the disasters and work at eliminating them. Eliminating means to remove them instead of waiting for them to happen. Thank you.